Serbian power. What is up, and welcome back, everybody. Before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe this channel. I'm going to put a button right there for you.
That's right.
Well, it's not an actual button. You have to physically go down in the bottom right corner and hit subscribe. Okay, so today we're going to get going on working on the engine bay on the CRX. Maybe get some wiring going after that. We got some welding to do. We've got to fill some holes. We've got all kinds of cosmetic stuff to do. And we'll get rolling on it. All right, party time. All right, we're cruising right along here. Serge is getting lots done over here. It's funny, like I was just saying, you know, when you look at a car like this, you're not like, oh my God, that's such a cool car. Unless you're a Honda guy and you know what you're looking at. This is my personal opinion. Don't take it the wrong way. Unless you're a Honda guy and know what you're looking at, this doesn't do anything for you. You could look at a car like a Corvette and you may not know what you're looking at, but you can understand that it looks like a fast car. It's low, it's wide, it's loud. It's not 89 Honda. As funny as it is, this is probably gonna kick that thing's ass pretty bad. Whereas the Mazda back there, it holds its own, but it just blows the tires off because that's kind of what it's built to do. Anyway, yeah, Serge is getting lots done over here. Let's take a look, and we'll go from there. And yeah, keep on cruising. Got a bunch of wiring to do yet tonight, and see how that goes. Well, Graham, the wiring master he is, has got lots done over here. This is a big job. Like, this is probably more work than the engine bay. Getting this harness all tucked up and getting it moved away. Here, I'll show you what he's doing here. He's been working on. He's getting all the loom all done. It's a ton of work. Like, I don't know how many hours he's into it now. Because what you have to do is you pull off all these connectors individually, slide this loom over top. You got to heat shrink it all, put the connector back on, and hope you pin it right. It looks like he's got lots done here. He's been working on the injector side of things here. He's got the ECU side of things going on. This is all big stuff down here he's got to do yet. This will be a big job, this one here, this big harness. Unconnecting and pinning that. Then hoping you pin it back on right. But yeah, it looks like he's getting lots done here. All right, cruising right along. Today is April 10th, which marks exactly 1 month we've been working on the CRX, like seriously working on it. We plugged away a little bit in the beginning, but we're cruising along pretty good here. Graham's got this harness just like right there. He's just kicking ass on it. I'll flip this thing around here and show you that. Today, I'm hoping to get the engine bay painted if I have enough time. We'll see how the rest of today goes here. But yeah, let's do it. Number one is done. I usually do like 3 passes, so I'm gonna now I'll use wax and grease remover. I'll wipe everything down. Look for any shiny spots where paint may or may not stick. Then I'll do another pass, wax and grease remover, another pass, wax and grease remover. I'm just using Scotch-Brite to get into the tight areas, and I'm using 400 grit to get kind of the bigger areas. So anyway, keep on cruising here.
That's right.
I hate sanding. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the way that looks right now. I've got, I think, all the shiny spots out of it. It's always hard to tell. From here, I'm going to now mask everything I don't want tape on. Some of the stuff like brake lines and stuff are just not worth trying to remove. You can if you're crazy hardcore. I'm just not crazy hardcore. Okay, so I'm gonna get that done, and then we will go from there and hopefully get some paint on here at some point. I'm about 3 hours into sanding. All right, masking's done as far as I'm concerned. I don't know, there might be some overspray on stuff or underspray, I don't know. I gotta move my car over there, and then on with primer and paint we go. So one thing you want to focus on anytime I'm doing a job like this, I really like to, I'll drop the car down to a height where, you know, everybody would see it, but I also like to, I want to lift it up and get it. You want to get all the angles, because I promise you, if you miss one spot, it's going to be hard to match after, and it's going to be hard to get in there after you have the engine in there and you're like, oh shit, look at that, I missed this big spot. So it's something I like to do. It's on a job like this, unless you strip everything, you're going to have overspray on things. I usually just go after with a little bit of paint stripper or brake clean, and I'll just clean that right up, no problem. Anyway, cruising right along here. I'm gonna drop the car down, get some paint on it, lift it up, get some paint on it, or primer on it, I should say. It's high build primer, and then I'll get you guys another video here where I'm at. Surge to get here, and we are planning to, we're going to paint the engine and get everything ready. I don't know if we're going to get the engine in the engine bay today, but I'll probably wrap this video up right around now. Not that a lot's happened, but just because I don't want it to kind of clash all together, if that makes sense. I'm going to try and keep it somewhat organized for those who are actually following the Crx build. Again, it's a K series. We're boosting it somewhere 15, 17 pounds ish. Hoping to make around 500 of the tire, all-wheel drive. Should be pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna get the engine painted up and get it in the bay, and we'll go from there, see how things go, how long it takes to clean the engine and stuff like that. All right, let's do this. Oh shit, boys, we just got a box from Garage 16 with some K-Tune parts in it. I'm hoping it's the water outlets and housing for this setup, but let's check her out. Oh yeah, big shout out to the boys at Garage 16 for always getting the fast shipping and getting us hooked up on this stuff. Oh yeah, this is exactly what we were needing. We're waiting for this stuff. So this is good. That's our throttle body adapter so that we can run the drive-by cable, the drive-by cable to drive-by-wire ECU. That's good stuff. We're running we got just about all the K-Tune parts, I think, over here. So that's about a wrap on that. I'm gonna leave things like that for now. I'm curious to know what you guys think in terms of if you think the orange engine bay is gonna clash with the red valve cover. Give me some feedback. Just curious. The car is gonna be blue, so it's gonna be orange engine bay, blue car, kind of like the Golf colors that you'd see on like a Porsche 918 or something like that. Other than that, give me the usual like and subscribe if you guys are interested. Give me a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs down. You know it's bullshit and you love this video. We both know that. Other than that, yeah. Next video, engine in the car. We're gonna get the turbo back on there, get all that stuff done. Drivetrain, we're actually getting pretty close. Unfortunately, with COVID-19, my ECU's stuck. I don't even know where anymore. It was in customs, so I can't even get my programming done to get this thing running. We're running 1000cc injectors, so I'm not even gonna try and start it. Anyway, that's it, and we'll see what happens.